Today we are going to learn about the letter pattern UR. Hi, I'm Miss Hodell. I'm the Dyslexia Advisor for Henrico County. Make sure you have something to write with. If you don't, pause for a sec while you run to get it. Today we will learn about UR. The letters UR are used to represent the sound Now you say the sound. What sound does the UR make? Did you say If you did, great. If not, say it now. This is an R-controlled vowel where the R changes the sound of the vowel that comes before it so that this says Let's try writing it. Can you write the letters we use to represent Did you write UR? If you did, great. If not, pause the video and try again. Let's practice that. Write UR and say the sound that it makes 3 times. While you write the UR, say, the UR says Pause the video while you write. Now let's read some words that use Read the word on the screen. Did you say fur? This word is fur. Fur. Let's try another. Read the word on the screen. Did you say blur? This word is blur. Blur. Here's another one. Did you say surf? This word is surf. Surf. Last one. Did you say lurk? This word is lurk. Lurk. Now let's try writing some words with our new sound. I will read 3 words. You write them down as well as you can. Don't forget to tap the sounds. And remember to pause while you write each word. The first word is earn. Earn. The second word is curl. Curl. The last word is burn. Burn. Did you spell them correctly? The first word is earn. U-R-N. Earn. The second word is curl. C-U-R-L. Curl. And the last word is burn. Burn. B-U-R-N. Let's see if you can think of some words that use the UR sound. Pause the video while you think. Did you think of turn, earn, lurk, hurt, surf, fur, burn? It's okay if you thought of others. It's good that you were able to think of some words that use the sound you are spelling. Thanks for taking the time to learn with me today. Ask your teacher if you have questions, and don't forget to practice this week.